Yo, what's up, Steezy fam? So I'm up bright and early right now. As you guys can already tell with the title of this video, I'm going to be installing my drilled and slotted rotors from R1 Concepts. Huge shout out to R1 Concepts. I'm hyped to get their rotors on my car, and I got some new brake pads that just comes along with the kit. Yeah, guys, it's great. But yeah, let's roll into this video. Let's get it. Ooh, that little backfire though. Alright guys, we're just pulling into my shop right now. Guys, I'm hyped. It's such a great feeling pulling up to Gustavo's shop. It's gonna be a good day, that's why. I'm usually only here when I got some parts to install or just gotta talk to Gustavo about something. But either one, it's always a great time. Let's roll into it. Alright guys, we just pulling into the shop. Say what's up, Gustavo.
Hey, what's up?
Alright guys, so we just pulled up to the shop. Just fucking open my trunk. A few things fell out, and I forgot to tell you guys I'm gonna also be painting my calipers, and I'm just gonna be using this engine enamel because it had a nicer color than the caliper paint. And then I got my brake fluid, the rotors. Look at these guys, some nice R1 Concept drilled and slotted rotors. We got the other pair in here, and I'm doing the front and rear because R1 Concept offers a good ass deal on the kit, so I recommend you guys checking them out. Alright guys, just getting it started. Well guys, so we're just gonna be jumping right into it. We're just gonna take off the wheels, probably do the front first. But yeah guys, look at how rusty this shit is, and no bueno. And I keep forgetting to show you guys, but I got a little secret for the calipers I haven't showed you guys yet on the film, but you guys will see in just a little. Alright guys, so before we even do like the brake pads or the rotors, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my calipers with this engine enamel. It has a nice little metallic gray look to it, and it's just gonna make my calipers look a lot nicer, and just top it off with these rotors. Yeah, let's get to it. So first things first, we're gonna just use the brake cleaner and then get them looking all nice so that we're not painting over dirt. You guys, first coat, let's see it. Should be a good first coat.
Just wait.
Alright guys, so we just got the first coat done. We wanted to go a little light, but this gray is honestly really nice and subtle, and I think it's going to look great with these rotors. Let's get it. Alright, second coat's done. I'll just keep updating you guys. It's looking good. Alright guys, we just got done painting the caliper. Look at that guys, my new rotors. They're fire, right? Well guys, we got the first rotor on and it looks really nice. Got to go in the right direction, and I'm hyped to see the performance of these. Making sure that my brakes don't get so damn hot. So guys, we got the passenger caliper all done. We're just gonna start on the driver's side, get all cleaned up, and just start spraying. Alright guys, so I just did 2 or 3 coats on this caliper, and this fan over here is doing a lot of help because it's drying it off so that I can do more coats at a time. Yeah guys, this color looks really nice. Alright guys, so here's the calipers completely painted on the driver's side, and this is the little thing I was telling you guys about, the little surprise. I'm going to add this little M badge. I ordered this online and has adhesive tape on the back, and see this ugly little hole right there? I'm cover it with this M badge, and look at how nice these calipers look now. With the slotted and drilled rotors, painted, and this little M badge. I'm just gonna go ahead, and some people don't know this, but with this 3M tape, if you use a lighter and heat up the adhesive and then stick it, it'll stick to the surface a lot better. Gustavo's just gonna take off the second rotor. We got done painting this side, and yeah. Just check this out. Look how amazing these R1 Concept rotors look. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the M badge and cover this annoying hole. And it's crazy how the little things make such a big difference. That's where I want it. That press hard. Look at that, guys. Look how amazing that looks. So we're gonna start on the rear right now. We already went ahead and masked it up and everything. I'm just gonna get to spraying. Now these ones don't require a lot because they're super tiny calipers. But I do want to get some good coats in there. Alright guys, so we're like 75% almost done, and let me tell you guys, it is hot as shit today. I'm not even joking, this AZ weather is no joke. I'm not gonna lie, it's like probably 110. But let me show you guys just a little walk around. We have the passenger side, the driver's side, that you see what it looks like with the wheels. And let me show you guys the rear. Look at that, guys, that's fire, right? And now we're just working on the very last one. Damn, guys, I'm hyped to go drive it. Alright guys, so we just got done with the rotors install, and I guess now it's just time to go test it out on the road. I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so we just left the shop right now, and so far it's not making any noises and I'm not running into any trouble. I'm driving right now. It seems to be braking very well. I had to jump on the freeway and I went really high speeds and tried braking then. It worked perfect. I'm not running into any issues, no brake lights coming on the dash. And yeah guys, I definitely feel like since it has new brake pads and rotors, it was squeaking a lot when I first left because it was just like brand new. But yeah guys, here I'm coming to a stop sign. You guys want to see me use my brakes? It's crazy, right? I'm just playing with y'all. But yeah, good shit, R1 Concepts. Well guys, I guess today was a big success. Nothing went wrong. We got that done in less than 2.5 hours, so we made pretty good time. And I'm very happy. A big shout out to Gustavo for always helping me. He's a true one. But yeah guys, that's gonna leave us to the end of this video right now. Just wait until tomorrow when you guys see the next vlog. I'm telling you guys it's gonna be a banger. But until then guys, we out here.